Nothing beats subscribing to the VYO podcast. Survive depression. And your toxic co-worker.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen,
boys and girls,
boys and girls, welcome to the greatest podcast on the planet.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yolana ethi po 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 po.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just hit home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away. You can come any day. You can come and we play. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting.
Nothing beats subscribing to the VYO podcast. Survive depression. And your toxic co-worker.
Kama Jupiter acelwe yimi but sekona ngani njani? Acelwe yimi.
Bengekho mina ucela.
Awula umuntu
Kama
ongasanga
Jupiter
wabala
acelwe yimi utebuye ngase sekona ngapho njani?
Awakhumbuni. One at a time.
Hayi
Ahlala
ndoka.
la.
Nangu ngigqokiskipa se-Adidas, ngigqokijacket le-Adidas.
Nangi ngosikipa se ihoodie yakwantu.
Wale ngangikhuza ukuthi
Wale
ngidleze
ngangikhuza.
Adidas.
hayi Jupiter lilokhali.
Lethi Jupiter sidle thina la.
Machita sorry lifuna ukuchaya amaJupiter kuphotiza.
Yeah.
Azila lokuze nini lezi.
Ama-Jupiter wala ora.
Awala ora.
Wena
Awala
going.
trying to
All Stars 29 the scapegoat.
they're not demure.
Local brands.
You know me.
Yep.
I got that shit on, boy.
Mina ngikoke ishing peya.
So you guys decided that I should come here to the podcast and say to Mgcini. Okay, I wanted to say to Mgcini because I hadn't done the podcast with him for a very long time. Then you sent me with Milo. What do you think the content is going to come up here is going to be like?
Mina vele namhlangazi ngizohlalela ubona ngakhuluma lutho vele.
Hayi.
Ngizithulele melele ukuthi naliqalise yabo.
Tawuze ukhuluma ipussy namhla kanti nalitheni egroupini.
Mina yasonta phela.
I got too many.
Usola ipussy.
Ngiyasonta.
Oh.
So I don't talk about that. Mina jake isenhlonipheke ebantwini. Can't be found talking about such on podcast.
Ma 40.
Machita ngokungena nje enkonzweni 2 minutes ezibone ngana vele ensimini yenkosi.
You 2 minutes seconds.
Ensimini yenkosi.
Abantu wabangena mdala wabangena.
No, abantu abafunde eMaranatha bayakwazi. That was the nickname for eMaranatha.
Ensimini
Yes,
yenkosi.
ensimini yenkosi. That was a real thing.
But like statistically bangaka abantu abafunde eMaranatha for them to react that much.
Baningi.
Baningi ntoni.
Andila wafunde John Talaki. Level baningi kona phana.
John Talak is another one, man.
What the fuck do you mean it's another one?
Like, badume ngani?
Ichonta la ngiyingwenya mission.
Zidume ngokuzenzisa.
Isidume popularity.
Mina I remember thina esicela they weren't taking abantu beJohn Talak because kwakuthiwa bayadrill esikolo. So it's like presentably they are smart but they are not actually smart.
Like abantwana be scam. Like abantwana be scam. Let's go primary. Like those book wise they pass abantwana labana party.
Banu amakhwapha.
Hi. No, isn't they are program. Like ba program abantwana labana ngamazombi. So esikolo vele babe pass vele come exams into but you know phandle lapho nga
social
IQ.
IQ.
But what is the education system outside of a program? You literally you get a set metric to decide who's intelligent, and you find a school that's good at capitalizing on that set metric.
Ufuna ukuchaya iski one.
No, but
lalela education yabona lokho ukuthi umntwana uyadrilla okay ngiyakuzwisisa kulabanye abantu vele who do well in school but don't get i-social IQ. I-social IQ is outside of isikolo yabona linalihlezi la ngoba le social IQ but when even i-social IQ or i-social IQ yakho awuyifunda ngesikolo.
Have you heard of holistic education?
Yes.
My point exactly.
Hayi but lalela i-education
A student.
So nje uthi lokho zenini isikole sela contribution ku social IQ yakho.
I don't know. Maybe
Okay, let me give you an example. Let me tell you about an interview. Let me tell you about an interview. An interview at one of the local stores, retail stores, clothing store, right? At an interview, he had a position to fill. There was someone who's gonna be like a shop attendant, right? And there's a boy from Emakaya with his A's, 8 A's, who are A level. And there's a boy from, let me just say CPC. True story.
Okay.
So they're sitting in an interview. They are asked about hobbies. That's what they do in government school. They tell you what your hobbies are. I'm hobbies are watching TV and playing soccer with friends. That's what government school do. They tell you and reading. Right? There's a boy like I like reading. I play hockey. You know. Even the way we kurma very different. Uniga banum sevens. Maybe play 3 O levels, 8 A's, but who's able to articulate themselves. Watching television, reading, and playing soccer with friends.
And then
I like reading. I've read Charles Duncan. I play hockey.
So I do fun.
Who do you think they gave the job? Who do you think gave?
CPC?
No, they end up giving both because they couldn't. But as it stands now, what's on CPC?
Maybe very baba ngumnikazi wecompany.
No. Reason being, you are only promoted. Also that boy is able to articulate himself, is able to do, is versatile.
No, but I want to. I liked it when Prince spoke about the social IQ. When we're talking about the social IQ, it's really dependent on where you are placed. And Haresu ngatata umuntu othanda into ze-church and put that person amongst us. We'd think that person is dumb.
No.
Mana, let me land.
That's what we all think of
Continue.
No, all right, maybe dumb is the wrong word. Maybe dumb is the wrong word, and but i-social structure leyi ayimvumeli ukuthi azi-expresse ukuthi ashayine. Ungamthatha uyemjikela ngale kubo lokhu zenini kubo makanti wa Bruce Edwards rakata baba
blind khona.
Sorry.
Kuphuzula abathangi.
Ngikhombela ke ukuthiwa lwa nguye lwa. Umayelo ungamthatha umfake esivuleni la kuma decks. Excellent. You understand? The word social already it encompasses, it's self-explanatory when you take that person umfake. So I always like to say with abantu, we are intelligent in our own respects. Lo mawusumjikele kubhuthe sesenza lo abali dictionary yonke.
I'm just saying. Azathi masakrema dali.
Mayile ucine nini ukuye church?
Mina I think send 2 weeks ingahambi.
2 weeks?
Yeah.
Amayilula manga.
I have more than 10 years.
Sonti Roma mina senpious. Church eqiniso. The one true church.
Named after umuntu wayenza sex tape.
There were no tapes when St. Peter founded the church. I don't know what you're talking about.
Pius did a sex tape.
Man. Pius okathi silwana unamed after Pius oqala.
Kulo Pius.
Pius oqala
i sex tape.
Yeah, sex tape.
Namgazi Pius sex tape.
I don't know why you'd look in particular for a sex tape, but I'm pretty sure lama video Chumaela. Those could be more useful to you.
Akula ma video Chumaela.
Wena yipi video?
Yipi video yaka Pius wena Chumaela.
No.
Ungata keep a video, mina keep sex tape and keep a video Chumaela most likely to come up with a video fast and bad. I'm asking though.
Umafoti kucha is sex tape off.
Akumfundisi mbani mtana?
I haven't been in church in 10 years, more than 10 years.
Alright, wahamba 10 years ago yipi?
Anglican.
Ha, lawe. Remember lwana je uthamba ndo look it up King Henry. Do you know how the Anglican church came to be?
Yeah, no.
King Henry wanted to divorce his wife. We didn't allow that. Yeah, your church was started by a horny king.
Catholic doesn't allow divorce.
Khuluma no-
But at least our church, listen, our church can be. our church has a
umntanethu.
Yeah.
That's our son. That's our baby.
Yes, but
Lithi
then
baba,
at least we allow horny kings to be with wives, females, rather than a priest with small boys. Like this is better that way. It's better that way. It's better that way.
Ayitshayile. Asivaleni. Because mina ibhandi lami vele lokuphikisana lingaphela haya. Hayi liyakwazi bafowethu. Akafunde founders.
Just move ezandleni.
Anyways, guys, back with another banger.
Yeah.
You have founders.
Welcome to another episode of the BYO podcast. Ingxoxo Chaos.
But look, come here, founders. There's this thing that's happening. Founders, Hamilton, Gifford, Milton. This fighting that's happening in town almost every Friday. Like boys are. I saw cool. Pepper spray. Like what's up with what's going on with these kids? Like kuchona kuliwa every Friday. Especially by my workplace.
There's Pagera, there's dinner.
Pepper spray. What's going on?
Dude. Look, I'll just say this. Okunye nje kuphela yi-PR party. Emzingane bayachana Jackie day in day out, but it doesn't get out because basemagangeni. Thina unfortunately izikole ezisetown.
No.
Yeah, born unfortunately.
Listen, I'm saying it's an occurrence. This is like a war between schools, not individuals. We're talking about
Iskolo Zwana. All right.
It's like a war.
Let me break it down like this.
Yeah.
Abantu abamnyama it's like Tina Amandex. Amandebele before Tina siqalisa ukulwa lamashona andikuzala Amandebele kuthiwe wena usondebele leqiniso. Wena ungukhuma Tina singokhumalo omtunga. So exactly when ulishona usondebele leqiniso. After that sizahamba sekuda sesingamandebele right sihlangene siyalwa singamandebele singamashona. Put izikolo, trust me. That's why in Mzingwane bayala, because they are just a school bona bebodwa. If Falcon was right next door, it would be Mzingwane versus Falcon.
It's true.
Falcon and Mzingwane fighting.
Yeah, if they were right next to each other. We understand. So Lapana chaos then as a founders. I explained it the last time on that episode. It's just that it's schools that are within
close proximity.
Yeah. But trust me, Tina Escolo, if maybe let's say for that period of time there weren't any fights between Hamilton and the founders, would probably pick fights with maybe Tina's go form 2. Asavumu coaches go form 3. Say good at form 3. It's normal.
He's actually right, bro. During era puberty, you're always trying. You're always there's a little anti. This is why also during his category form 2, level form 4 long wrestling, especially in era because they're anti-authority.
I was from wrestling. Okay. So you.
I
used to win my fight.
So, Pari, does it make sense though?
I guess so, but it's becoming very, very violent now.
Trust me, it's been like that. It's likely to blow up because we've got other media outlets now. So, self-proclaimed journalists. Bantu bakobulawa yazili disappointer.
Mina vele angiyithandi indlela elikhuluma ngayo ngotalent.
Exactly. So it's like that now. News travels faster now. You understand?
Citizen journalism. Citizen journalism. Citizen journalism.
Jona kukhona ku TikTok. Kwenzakalani mntana?
Che.
Uqinisile umalo ukuthi sinama self-proclaimed journalists. And everything looks 10 times magnified than it used to be.
Than it used to be. But trust me, there's a nigga that got stabbed when I was in school.
Yeah.
There's a nigga that got stabbed when my little bro was in school. The little bro that came after that, like Kono Akwazai. Now the rate at which
the constant thing is that's the constant thing in this story. The constant thing now abantu bangini.
Ngililo kuzenini.
Ngabe umayilo ethi amanxeba efesini.
Mina
Wadosa isandla.
Bani Zwana, mina ngingcono nje kanti ububi bami bakhozo ngamanxeba. What's your excuse?
No.
What the fuck, man?
There's no need to
Mani singali. Sifuna ukuthi abantwana beni manje njengoba sikhuluma izikolo so. Mina ngibona ngani abahambisa izikolo ziphi.
That's actually a good.
Homeschooling.
Dawo.
No, listen. I've been exposed to both private and government schools.
I-private school often
Me was the spaces.
Yeah, my boss.
Not the spaces now. Me was the spaces pela. When spaces was spaces, not going
La
to
khani simdali spaces lokhu renda so ungathi spaces now.
No, spaces then brought in space up in spaces ngagqola my info.
Spaces
Now we were the guys at spaces. Sorry?
Kule salary next to.
Don't ever renta mdala.
Class ukunokuthi chips and Russian.
Aresi spaces
No,
renta labane bootleggers.
we were down
Phandle amajita besithi cash iko cash. Lina resithi 1 plus yeah. Private school spaces.
Hayi bambengele kuzenini. Ubamba ngezandla.
Private school spaces
No, but anyways. Private school le kuzende kama.
So the thing is with government school is the teachers don't care anymore. Like they don't care anymore about abantwana besikolo. Like akusela teachers who actually would have wanted to be teachers for the sake of actually wanting to be a teacher. Now our teacher back these days, they either become teachers because they want to go to Japan, UAE.
What?
Like they want to go to Japan. Like uba ngutitsha ngoba uyakwazi kule opportunities eJapan. Uba ngutitsha ngoba opportunities eUAE. They're just becoming teachers so that they just make money outside Zim.
But that's an anecdote.
No, but I'm saying, no. They don't care, most of them. No, they actually don't care.
Who don't care, Nyamuza?
Right? And then private school, there's, dare I say this? There's this sophisticated bullying in private schools.
Ngenjani ukuthi wena ubuyele polo nomunye ubele.
No, as ukuthini. When you see it and you think, no, like ingane but ikona nje like eko serious lokya. And basebenzisa lokho lo is senior lo is junior and loku abuse power na I don't like that. I don't like that.
I hear what you're saying,
Yeah.
but I feel like part of the process of going to school is also learning.
To be bullied.
Man, angikhulumi.
Ningalwi.
Angakhulumi sengigaba. Part of the process of going to school is learning the reality of social dynamics. Even as adults, we get bullied in our workplace, in our neighborhoods, in our amadiri. So it's got check. It's fucked up ukuthi people get bullied at school.
Yeah.
But that gives you a construct of what the real world environment is like. You don't want to send umntana to a school where everything is skipping rope and grabbing ass. No? High fives. Oh, so. Because the reality of the work environment, capitalism, and the quote-unquote democracy is you'll get bullied, bro. And you'll get, sometimes people will come finesse you for your position.
Yeah.
And you have to learn that. So I feel like there's nothing wrong in, when you tell umntwana ngomse skolo ulanda formal education, kule informal life unda ngebreak. Kule informal life unda, for example, talk. I found out later in my life, Guti, most of the people I was really good friends with are people who went to boarding school. It didn't need to be my boarding school. And that's when I realized, Guti, kind of the conditioning I got was the ability to be able to share your common space with other people. And I picked that up at boarding school. And most of the people that I'm actually good friends with are people who do well at sharing their common space. They always felt a little, nganu stuck up for me.
Mina ngathanda ubuchapha.
Mina yakwazi ukuthi mina Jeki
sinatha sesimbodlela. What's that, bro?
Thina siya yonke into manje
dala ingqondo ifake khona apho uzabona. For me it's like this. I always felt like I would want umntana ngomfana to go to a government school. Not a terrible government school, but some place like Northley, St. Columbus, you understand?
Kahambe ezibungululu.
Then umntwana moyinkazana, I would want her to go to a private school. Ask me why. Boy child, you are grooming a protector. You understand? And then umntanakho oyinkazana, you need to
Fundisa
invest
ukwali
as much as you can into her so that engachazwa izinto ezistupid.
Ndini bad.
Umfundisa ukuba libed.
It's not as such ukuthi umfundisa ukuba libed, and I'm saying ukuthi engachazwa izinto ezistupid. You understand? Such ukuthi wena you do your best to make sure that she sets the bar high.
Nxa ezakukhonjiswa akhombele uthando.
Akhombele ukuthi ayikona ukuthi usefike
Lina bangaka abantwana bema private school lababhebha mahara.
it wasn't for me it wasn't mahara. The bar was set high. Because mina wayesima efike endlini sengiqalisa ukukhipha amakoloni.
Confession.
Labo bacon.
Ubatshengisa amakoloni.
Sensithi mana phela ngiyenzela isandwich. Semfaki ipoloni le bacon ngizithi ngiyabulala. Uze where's the lettuce? We understand ukuthi ngithini. So it's like you need to make sure your daughter understands that she's not supposed to be okay with the short end of the stick. Whereas with umfana
Kumele isafe.
time ukumtshela ukuthi Brian ngunike $5 lapha and baru umnakho enkazana nanga akala mali yomphako. So kumele umnike wena khona apha emalini yakho. You understand? You are grooming a protector. Engabuya la vele ethu mina vele umntana wami ngumfana engabuya endlini esithi uchayo esikole nyamtshara umchayo njani?
Uthi wayengabisela.
Uchayo njani? Ngamana mbizwe ukuthi hawu boys ewebesilo.
Ngakade sile afika ubuza ukuthi
winile. Winile yini?
There's a friend of mine who actually bizwa ngobaba akhe. Baba actually bizwa esikolo because he was always in fighting, right? So one day when we were driving home, umdala was said, as I'm always being caught. Are you winning this fight? Are you winning? Like, I need to know if you're winning this fight.
But uma futhi khulume into kade ngani ngiyinanzelela ukuthi angeke sithi affecta i-education sector kuphela. Usithi abantu benzele imisebenzi ukuthi baphume ama-teacher afundise oluthambe be-Japan nani. Do you think yibo bodwa benza imisebenzi? Abantu kare sibayithanda imisebenzi abayenza
doctors. Nursing
doctors.
Me. I fucking love my job. Fucking love my job.
We can never even use you as a measuring stick.
What job do I do? What's
as
my
a
job?
pet example.
What's my job? What's my job? What's my job?
No, you're popota.
What's my job?
I don't know what's your job.
How many jobs do I have, Bryce? 3, 2. But I love my jobs. Like I would never do something I don't actually love. Or enjoy doing. Yeah.
Not everyone is as fortunate as you. Also, my chance, later did you come out to Mufane slow as
Nah, for me now. It's a preference.
It's a personal preference.
Yeah.
I really do respect that, bro. It's always hard to kind of make these calls before you're actually in the position. Because me now, I listen to them in Gaza. And I discovered this in Kurum. Wawulula ukuthi ngizikhulume umntana mo inkazana esa hypothetical. Asa imkhangele kathesi.
Trust fund babe.
Azwavarana mfana.
Izinto ezinjengani.
For example, into zokudedesa. I'm not gonna lie, bro. In the last 3 months, I really came to a full realization ukuthi it's not difficult ukukhulisa umntwana ospoiled. Ungabona ngathi ukukhulisa umntwana ospoiled kunzima. Kulula dog because kulenta de sizama ukuthi simfundise yonke into kuyenza endlini. And sayisithi umasala ugogo wakhe ebenguye kwenzayo. Hey, ndoda bekimuzwe ekhala ndoda. Ndoda at some point ngize ngafika ngadopha umntana wami ngathi ngicalithi umntana wami. Beka ngamkhala umasala ngathi ngothi umntana wami. Umasala wathi ndoda. Ngiyenzela wena. Ngathi hayi sengi right. Sengidala ngicinisa ngiloku
ngasuphenduka kumasala usehlupho sithi yazi umzukulu wakho sithi sasikutshela.
So I'm just saying this ukuthi I really agree with some of the things you're saying, but it's always difficult to be definitive about it. Hey mfana, abantu abantwana aba useless manje abazenzisi. Maybe lenhlanhla labuthi was sitting here and we have utility. I feel like, to be honest, I do like the idea ukuthi umntwana ekhulebe lento ebele balance between a struggle and
lokuthola.
Yeah, but it's like at the end of the day, look.
But mawuzalele ukutholeni, bro. Like
uyazuza ngicishe umntwana, you know what I'm saying?
Like ayikho indlela yokuthi struggle, bro.
Hayi abikhona. Because mawuzalele ukutholeni and ungahamba eCBC. Ulomdalo njengami, trust me, you will not be like those boys. Because abanye babe driver when you have got.
Yeah, it's true. Hayi version uyamnika version yakhe. Actually uyamnika version.
Uyamnika version yakhe of the
For
struggle.
example, uyamekele guess izimoto endlini. Ngiyakutshela that will be his version of the struggle.
Ecente bra.
Kana sokuthi Drake my rapper.
Phuma ucente nje.
uDrake yazi struggle rapper ngaso ukuthi esokuthi at some point he had to go make a living. Acting. But that was his version of the struggle. Do you understand? Of course.
Yabazi kunjani check difference yangikhona. Omunye is learning the importance of hard work.
Yes.
Omunye is living the struggle so that you know ukuthi kumele usebenze katala lempilweni.
Majority of excuse me, majority of people,
keep up foot.
Majority of parents with children in these private schools, like they're fighting hard to make sure the kids are those schools financial wise, right? And in Kenya, mind you, they don't share or talk about these struggles with the kids. Parents want to shield their kids from some of these things. I don't believe.
They should though.
Right?
Yes, they should.
But no. But there is a point where like now, if I'm starting to get you to CPC, I must sit you down and say, bro, mina lumtaka lo wena lumtaka lo pose ufunda la ya different. I have two different backgrounds. How
ufuna umntana mendelele mina.
No. Reality is important. Reality is important because uzavuka upermanise isikole just like umntaka lo pose. Umntaka lo pose Brian ngapermanisa. It's easy for umntaka lo pose ukangena Falcon ukangena ngapi because their money talks. Mina if you fail here, bro, it's hard for me to get you to another better school.
Because yakwazi omunye wazothini umntwana ababemfundisa eFalcon. Ngomunye uchoma isithi athi ngihamba ngafundisa khona ngala iTPM. Uthi omunye umntwana wathi because no, you need to be serious with your education. What I know, say truthfully, I'm here to socialize because my father told me these are my future business partners. Because I'm going to manage my father's business.
But that's a dumb take, most.
But that's reality. That's the reality. That's school.
That's how
it's really not, bro.
When I saw what kind of VIP got the license
do it. Yeah, what's it?
Oh mama,
mana, bro. In as much as kuzabe ungama business partners akho kulamanye ama concept ozafunda esikole azakuncedisa ukuthi uinteract lawe lokuzeni.
Anguyali khonokho.
Yikho emvela khona.
But mina lami into le ngathi ngiqala ukuyizwa. I think angazi even utumelo kwayikhuluma kodwa kwayizwa la. And then as life went by I found out, I even said this thing ukuthi, do you know it's crazy ukuthi into ezinjengama tender what?
Tenderpreneur.
Not ama tenderpreneur. Ama board approve ama tenders.
Yes.
Procurement boards. Procurement boards.
Yeah.
These things were actually introduced into our government system post-independence, which means back when white people ran our countries and ran our resources, they didn't have these boards for approving tenders. They gave them each other. It was a all boys club.
Mm-hmm.
So most of these kids will actually get to say that kind of shit. I'm here to make connections. It's white kids because their fathers got the companies and the lands and the factories they have. Just a good old boys club. And that's how it works, bro. But Tina, this is in charge of our resources. Because ukuthi itenda liphume utsho umloko melebele O level A level le degree what suddenly there are these qualifications. So I'm telling you, bro, into ekhulunywa ngoBryce ukuthi kuthiwa abantwana bakhuluma into esikolo mina I'm here to make social connections and not it's actually a thing.
Ukhangele yabona abantu that go to private schools, have you ever seen how seriously they take ama school run now?
Yes.
So at surface level when anti because thina sivela kubo Fawera labo John T's sibone at surface level mase baba
empophoma
employers mase ukukhangele at surface because thina abazali bethanda babuye esikolo vela abazali bethu abazana those guys they make it a point to make sure ukuthi they know ukuthi all right, since when you are here at the school your parent probably does something at England. So I'm going to make sure I know your parent.
Yes.
And I'm not going to say from I mean, I run a bakery. Serious. Mina pela ndeta ngilethenda yakunika ama football team nama stadium ukudla. So wena singasebenzisana njani?
Ola pano le 50 acres wheat.
Ola pano le 50 acres wheat. Je wo so sunga supply. Lo ule bakery factory ayisebenzi. You understand? Those people, they connect like that. Eskolo. I saw it the other day in Pezzo. When you told me sisiyathatha umntaka bhuti wakhe kulotsho umntwana uBravo Toes la umntwana somewhere ekhumalo la uBravo Toes la umntana wakhe was doing swimming at the same place bexoxa uprivate khona apha ezindla amabhasi angenile yamatsha I don't even know where to store them. Remember nathi as we are in Nang Nama warehouse about 3-4 I empty. You can use one of them. Katla. Pam kwami.
What was in there?
Wena busijayile esikolo sakho uze kuthiwa kule parents teacher meeting abantwana bayi 4000 esikolo kodwa ubuya abazali abayi
35. Those guys, they take those things very seriously because for them it's more than just about going to pick up a kid from school. Yes. It's networking.
Mina checking say Petra. It was every year. It was just 2 years. Parolo mzalo e volunteer run a tuck shop. And back then I didn't understand that shit. Mzalo e volunteer run a tuck shop. And it was always like the white parents because I remember this one parent who did it.
You could tell a full time or
we are called a drop umntana says chama samusa sisenzani lokuze nini break time lokuze sevuli lokuze nini se chai lokuze nini lunch time sethengisa umntana ngimaze chai sala sepheka izinto sechaya phansi. Like that was a full-time thing. You know, mama khona angikhohlisa isibongo sakhe ngubani because she was a white parent first year in figure and umntana wakhe waya ku swim team. I think ufana no was swim also swim in Zimbabwe or something. But that's how I actually got to realize good damn bro for this different circle of people Eskolo is a good place to get business done.
Right.
True.
Do you guys think parenting back then versus parenting now ngozusithi umntana akuthe esekhala kakhulu wazathi ngicela uchiya umntana wami? Like, do you guys think abazali bakaresa are doing justice ekubeni ngama parents or
sibangaki vele abazali la mina sikhulume sikwasisibaningi la
okunye
ngiza kuma as an uncle
okunye bro
uncle this shit out
2 3 ngingazimuva kana
usama condom lo
umfana lo uthi ibhadalile kuze nini that day bekunini bekuyizolo sithengi pizza wakhe
lo akasancedile
wow
lokuthi la ulikhohliwe wathi isijumba semali lesi kathi ngesanini lesi
nginamadollar
wathi likhipha mali imhlophe baba protector plus mana muyinto engasalungi
maybe liphuma selaze lasubuka liphakathi kanapha
kana majenzi liyakwazi labana kuparire nyato labana opposite swimming pool kule clinic labana ithi nebusuku ngayivaliwe kuyakona amabox ama
Tina wangene toilet lapana
wena discover njani
anza ngidiscover
wow
I'm just relaying information
emergency lengathathi la namara
information wayithatha
so ngasena diri wona ukhetha
so Tina
awuzange uthi ngezwa kuthiwa
mina ngingeni vele ku scenario na le because mina lo muntu amasispanisi
Tina ngale ofisini ngale lapha
wena nguwe wedala yini
akona for both male and females right
wena nguwe wedala
but sometimes I stop ukwafaka because there were guys who were coming to get the bambe bethengisa lapha nemana
what the fuck
yeah they were coming to get lapana
wesimani
bambe bethengisa emana lapha
hustle
so apparently the free ones are actually strong than the ones that are given commercial wise the free ones are actually stronger
commercially yadabuka
hayi emana lapana
vele yabona sorry bese ngizibambile khuluma chef
futhi emana lapana kwenzakala into ezingayisizo
ngiyakhumbula
sathi simelele
mana ukubuza umbuzo ubuza uKbreeze okwazi njani
yikho phela siyakhona lapho uyakhona sisemana sipakile phandle simelele uchomo wethu omnye osebenza eduzani khona ba
ungwaiter
ungwaiter la approach ngelinye ichomo lafika lathi majenzi
afabo putas
majenzi ngicwele ngani
mina mankulu siba ngiwabona mina nyatha ari smart
nakhona paro engaqamba manga that day
smart
yabo athi bari emergency nxa lingamapholisa mina ngcono limbophe emergency
Wari njani mina ngithengisa amangwana
Ngithengisa amangwana.
khiba ama-Dracula ndoda ungaqeda kanti ukuthi yikuyini
ngani
not even
liphilisi
weed
elishepa ngani ibhonzo lenja
yabona dala vele ma ungena vele phakathi abaniphethelele yani ngeke uphume lapha dala cha uze kuse dala
atsho njalo so hayi mana
That should have been the one designed like a boy born.
mani libhonzo
That's like a Viagra.
ngimvunisa nkunzi
labo lwana uyakuthengisela ama-pain is lo
tothi sezizilolongela
kube sekhanda ukuthi uzijeda namhla ngesilwane
but anyways ukuthi step usafuna ukukhuluma something lapha
hayi
decide ukuthi awusafuna ukukhuluma but singadegresi kakhulu wensakhuluma ama-parenting skills
Ngingasobazala sidegrese nini sazini.
Osowabonayo because I feel like ezinye izinto
No, not being a parent shouldn't excuse us from actually
because zingaki izinto esesikhulume ngazo la.
I think.
Mina in my experience I just think ukuthi people should avoid having unplanned children.
Uthe usebenzisa condom kathesi.
But you still plans. But it's still planned.
People should avoid having unplanned because umntwana ma ungamplanelanga subconsciously you are not going to be able to take what comes with the child. At some point in time uzafika ku 100. That's why time uyezwa kuthiwa kulo muntu okhala umntwana ngaphi kulo muntu oyenza so don't have a child that you didn't plan for.
uNkulunkulu wanika 9 months moto. 9 months is enough time to decide.
It's
no, not really.
Hey baba le Hogwarts ayinika 2 months to decide ukuthi uzoba umthakathi. Umntwana ule 9 months. I-problem
liyidila. I decided 2 months to decide ukuba umthakathi.
Mina yabona vele lo mntwana lo buye ngemistake ukuthi maybe kanjani ubaba lapha lo mongi bayenza mistake sokule ngcuzi on the way
ubaba uyagqoka icondom so mistake lana
hayi nyato nje ubeka ukuthi maybe benza mistake sokuthiwa sokule ngcuzi on the way and then omunye use decide ukuthi no mina ingcuzi I wouldn't advise that. Let me tell you why. Mina I had a kid prematurely and so I had a kid prematurely as in I didn't plan to have the child. All right. So now of course umntwana uyabumthanda because like there's something in you and but then I notice ukuthi i-patience angila i-patience umama khalayo when it comes to him. Like labana mdala mina mamfuna ukulaleza sithi omfuna ukuchaya. You understand?
Karona ngusaba nini?
Saqhawa. Ndala mthamo.
Yes. Awu press lapho.
Ayitobethe la. No thank you.
Yabo, it's those little things that remind you ukuthi hey, vele lokho but ngangakufuni lo. You understand? So I just think that when you're going to have a child, just make sure that it's planned.
Yeah.
Because when it's planned, that means usukwathi lo muntu wakho selichati and ungachati lo muntu wakho diba next month sesingaka.
Usujuta thina.
And chatanini and likolise your youth and whatnot and then have a child when you're now saying no because trust me you guys would have gathered that patience enough and it's a decision that the two of you make. That's why you see I want to that grow up in white families because they are premeditated those children. Yathola vele sebethenga lo ngama walkie talkie lokho ukuthi umntwana mayekhala sebesimuzwa ene downstairs eroomini lakhe betshintshanisane whatsoever it looks cute because it's organic, it's something that they plan for.
Mana Google about what percentage of kids are planned for because I feel like
yakwazi okunye kunjani mina I think yakwazi mina I think kunjani nje umntwana sengakwanisa uba planned or engabi unplanned. I think the way you mentally prepare yourself throughout the ages yokuthi mina mfuna uba i-parent enje ngaba lo mntwana nami so mina my kid was unplanned but when he was there I was the happiest guy ever.
Obviously you're going to be happy.
Obviously you're going to be happy.
Yeah, then even after yabona angizange ngibe lama moment ukuthi yabo lapho engangistruck yakhona ngansithi I wish ngiyakwanisa ukuthola something extra because this boy deserves more. Into the things that I've been picturing from ever since maybe I was 18 years old. Imagine okay, when I have a son, uzabanje. Because my son was named when I was 15. I knew what my son's name was going to be, whether girl or female. Ngaphosa njani?
Continue.
awuzwanga ukuthi
Continue.
2 seconds.
uzithi utheni
Bryce.
No, bengisithi ukuthi like umntanami
you
nje.
chose
Yeah.
the name when you
15 years.
so Tabe sithi wena because the word you said was my son was named when I was 15
No.
So we thought it.
Oh, uzanga nitsho njani?
So
But I think mina umbono wami doesn't
It's not
pertain
general.
a
It's not a general
parent
thing.
that is not struggling.
Yeah.
I mean, I think I'm trying to resonate with the struggling parent.
okay
Me and I'm nitty-gritties that I mentioned, and they are not aggravated because I'm not a struggling parent. Yeah, I understand. I can do umntwana jeki, like you said, umntwana uchipile jeki. It's not as hard as we think it is. But those small things, I just think generally because of the type of person I am, I don't want to deal with that. Nah, I don't want that.
that's just a him thing this guy
We understand.
Yeah.
But put a struggling parent out there. Umuntu ukuthi uyaswela azaswele le pump. Watch his chube zi3.
Sure.
3 is chubo. Now, ukuwatcha is chubo, I think aliko understand. Let me make you understand it. Yakuzizwa ukuthi kunuka njani etoilet makuphuma. Now picture you holding that.
gotta scoop it out
Qala ukuscoop it out and jakuna watch that.
Damn.
and
And you have to do that 3 times a day.
Yeah, awatela bavestanda.
thina abadala babestanda
And you have to do that 3 times a day.
Or more than that, bro.
Or even more than that. Yabu.
Especially nxa segula lapha maybe try running what.
Ehe.
lokhu ngumakakiyano
Mina I think.
Yabo.
Yeah.
So it's like I'm pretty sure those moments they come down on that person. What
was I doing?
Condom lalingela mahara.
That I'm not deciding.
Yeah, I understand.
So I think Mina, from an observer's point of view, there are guys, there are parents. Yes, as a parent, you want better for your child. Every parent wants that, but in such a way it comes at a cost where it becomes borderline spoiling the child. Like yes, you don't want the child to have your mastruggles zakho lana uphinde usumjwayeza kakhulu into ezingayisizo ukuthi akasa understand what lacking is, right? Where engavakasha kwezinye izinto becomes a nightmare ngane because you never taught that child ukuthi kuyaswelakala, and sometimes you might have tea without milk. Sometimes, because I understand we wanna do, but we need to also teach abantwana ukuthi you know what, everything has consequences. Mina umama yethu cheke sikhulisa, my mom was one person othi ungathi mina ngifuna ijini leli ethi but ijini leli likhulu kulawe leli uthi ngiyalifuna yathi okay thenga ndiyothi ijini elikhulu lenzani bra nxa soligqoka lapha andi ibhanti yami nga like selichwapha ijini ngoba ibhanti mama yathi tucking kumele uhambe phandle ebantwini apana nejini elichwapheneyo because wena utakile mana ngisaqeda uchwaphene
Bakuthatha namapicture
what it shows because it's trying to show you ukuthi every decision you make has consequences. So you have to understand that uti set a log, you must bear with it. Most of our parents these days don't want their children to understand, don't want their children to know consequences. That's why most of the time I was telling one of my friends, mntana lo umfana yamchiya nti uza kuhlupha lo. Into le yazamhlupha. Wamfuna wanti mntana ami phela so. I told you. I might not be a parent, but I'm telling you, this is not how you bring up a boy child. This is not how you bring up a girl child. Because the problem with it, when you, my parents are these days, believe what you wanna. You know, I should be better than my parents. I would tell you, ukuchawa was a good thing. Problem manje ungachawa mntwana, ubaba nje ngopriest, uyenza mntwana ungachawa mntwana, but you are disciplining a kid. Ungachawa next door, awukhamba ngale. Wathi ungachawa next door, ungahambe ekhuluma ngale. Mama banchaya next door, mama kwaya kuchaya. Manje ngale upriest, angathi mama next door unchaya upriest siyafukulwa lo mama next door. Khuluma priest. Pet parent, khuluma sisi, ngulalela.
How?
I was passionate just my fault. Before I was in the situation. Look, let's table it, my chance. Leave it in. Yes, my chance. Mina ngiyavuma empilweni ngisithutha. Mina ngizibonile ubuthutha nje.
Please, mangutshela. You could have been as passionate as my 40 wachinja. but not everyone will change like you.
That's fine. That's fine.
Zwan, I was passionate as my fault. The things that I said when I didn't have a kid, I'm doing them now. I always say ukuthi umntwana wami umkhulisa ngendlela yokuthi wena ngabuya ngizokuchiyela umntana man akasoza akuhluphe. Nxa umnika ama instructions uyafollowa kuhle without even having you to raise a hand because mina already ngiyabe sengikwenzile kudala.
Alo munjalo mina ngisho ukuthi nginto wami uyabe sekakela phezu kwe-TV. Kanti into wami ukakela phezu kwe-TV. Lalela nini? I'm just letting you know ukuthi some of the things I thought I was going to stand
futhi mina ncabe mkhuza ngumasala wami. Ngiyahle ngiqine ngefoni angingeneli. Engayenza something umasala engayithandiyo kusani. Angikhulumi phambi kwamasala. Kasani kumasala.
Usani?
Usani.
Yabona umasala because into khona kids are manipulative Jake.
100%.
Engabona ukuthi okay ngiyenze so and ugogo wanchaya udedwa complain so right I'll play them against each other. Nyamnuze mom yabona usayina phanqasisa so hayi ungenzi so yenza so lokhana hayi yabo even lami kunjalo lami wazamtshela athi mom nxa kulento oyibone ngiyenza kusani and if you don't like it ngicela ungamphikisi phambi kwakhe anje nilanda sibe yi2 because akumelanga ukubone lokho
mina ngiphoza lifact af mina ngiphoza
hayi vela kula mama uzakuthanda nje umntwana usumthela isinapho
Jake, awuzokuyizwa ithi isaying yakho.
Nafana yazwami yenza.
Awuzokuyizwa isaying lana yake trend like 2 months back ukuthiwa uyambona umntana wakho lo ospoiled lo nxa usifa sicela ufela.
Ungamchila.
Eyithi ncwa. Azindoda ngihle ngithi.
Uhlukawuthi.
Ugogo wakhe yaloya. Ugogo wakhe yaloya akakufuni la. Asibheke amanepi isikhabe mntana. I mean, I'm used to it. It's okay, Jets.
No, but abantwana should be taught the consequences of their actions.
Yeah,
children should be disciplined. I'm not saying which child, but they should be disciplined. There should always be ways of discipline umntwana.
Now, be honest. Disciplining turned out to be harder than I thought. That's all I'm saying. Of course, when you're saying clown, but it turned out to be a much. I really thought it was going to be as easy as I was saying.
No, we're not saying it's easy. We're not saying it's easy, but I'm saying it must be done. That's what we're saying. It must be done.
Thina sini just kwasakhula njani. Phela half of us lapho sasingama mistake. Abazali bethu basitshela. Half of us lapho singama mistake.
I was the first born, I'm a second born mina.
Half of us, maybe more than half to be honest. Now I'm convinced Guti, of course when they do when they gather the stats, I was actually trying to Google it. But globally, lalela. Just laleli Google. But globally, half of all pregnancies are unintended or occur sooner than desired. In regions with robust health care and reproductive access, like the United States and parts of Europe, approximately 55% to 60% of pregnancies and resulting births are actively planned. Blah, blah, blah. If you feel like sub-Saharan Africa, unintended pregnancies rates are higher, largely driven by gaps in access to modern family planning and early adolescent childbearing. In many of these areas, planned births can drop below 40%. I think it's actually lower than that because akula mntu adisability sembuza umntwana ola implanile vuma ukuthi
hayi guys
usidojiwe
uyakwazi vele kunye let's do like this. Hello guys, ngani senzeni phela social experiment and
yes
wakhula in a house with both parents raises 2 hands. One parent, 1 hand. Let's go.
But you're only problem with man, if with both parents you raise both hands.
Yeah.
But that might not be telling because I could have been unplanned, but my parents decided to stick it out. You see what I'm saying?
I'm funny with
I'm a bastard, this one guy.
No, you know what?
It is like it's there. At some point, where you are.
Uyakwazi ukuthi ngicabangani. Mina the reason why I'm saying this and mina I'm a stats from Google. I think we'd rather look at our states our Africa
really?
That
was also my point.
Stats about Africa from Google.
Yeah. That was also my point.
Because now understand you see now what here silapha already nje social experiment silapha people from households ukuthi kunomama lo baba so probably ama planned child lapha maningi.
Hayi. Dog.
Uprince Community kuma families khonapha.
Oh, ndoda.
Tothi half of us lapha ngama mistake.
Vele su-forced. Dog, sumithisile. Sumithisile, somele uyevela.
Vari, tothi abadala bakho babengaplananga
Madoda, most of us abazali bethu abasiplanelanga. That's a way of life.
Plan.
Yakwazi abanye kabe kuyini. Babe married sibili but yazi into ekuthiwa i-stealth pregnancy. Ukuthi stealth pregnancy. Ukuthi iyabungakhanyi. Iyejala ukwenza abantu abangani bale mzimba emkhulu.
Ngenjani?
Uthi ngimnyama
But you
mina.
ever pregnant? No,
But kodwa that's
Oh yes.
lay it can't count because that's very rare.
Yes.
It's like it's one in how many women?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not
So
common.
it's shaky.
Yeah, it's not
But
common.
regardless, whether abantwana
Irregardless.
regardless ukuthi abantwana baplaniwe
That weight.
or what, the thing still remains. Abantwana should be disciplined.
Lali unplanned lonke la.
Should be
Manditshele
disciplined.
mina.
Kathi wena indawo la usifuna sirelate.
Madoda.
No,
Ufuna
member
ukubalekela ukuthi isikhuluma ukuthi uyiphethe.
Tala ngaba ngani wathola i-confirmation bamhlalisa phansi 10:18 wathi hayi mntana
Yabona ngani sifuna
eqinisweni hayi
sirelate.
sasingakufuni
Qabelo wongekho ehlelweni.
Into ekona uyigeje ngamaphezi akho. How often do you see it happening ebangani bakuthi che uCheron I think usesithwe. And kutshele che ukuthi thina kade sinceze sile better
But
access to it.
most of Omajutami, all their kids with their wives.
What?
I'm simply stating as the facts.
Defend ama imaginary friends akho la.
No.
Asingazake siwabone ku
You
podcast la.
guys-
Nampana bami mafoti abamibuyela
Listen,
bona.
most of my friends,
Abamgcinzi abazi
most of my friends, most of
bangabuyela.
my friends are people who grew up with. Dude, how many years are you younger than me? Because people I grew up with are nowhere near your generation.
Of course.
So that's why
But,
I'm trying
so when we
to
later
tell you.
friend group yakho ukuthi don't bring my phone. Don't bring him.
No, I'm the guy.
Bakune Brian ukuthi hayi
I'm the
lingabuyela
guy the wives
hayi.
call. I'm the guy the wives call. Where's my husband? I'm like, not today. But what I know is, I'm gonna.
This is why
I'm about to say
wife
some
shouldn't
things.
have any of your friends' numbers.
Yeah, because what the fuck?
So
So lapha
I'm a
so
stand-up
ukuthi
guy.
abafazi babangani bakho bayo bekutshele phela khona ubona ukuthi babodwa endlini. Ba someone teach this nigga Bob.
I'm listening to you. I know where you're going.
That's a bar.
I know where you're going. I know where you're going.
Ufonele ethi how far kathi
Nyawazi,
ndoda yami
nyawazi.
nga.
Someone teach this nigga ball. That was a bar. That was heat.
No man, I'm that guy, especially when I'm in Harare. When I arrive in Harare, when people see my status, so they assume that I'm with their husbands. But
Kanti machance.
Amafuthi ngobhuti omdala.
Machance yazi ngesande. Bengisamwe discover khona ukuthi lathi kwesisikhathi amaZimbabwe ngani silento esizikhuluma.
Selisiya ngaphi kade seliphuma nga22.
So guqoma mic la.
Majenzi hayi Tiano yi1 lo semuva.
Imgcini imbi. Kulento engizwileyo otha ezinye izinto ezikhuluma ngamaZimbabwe ziyaliyangisa. Ngidiscover ukuthi i-firstborn.
Qhubeka.
I-firstborn. Kuyini i-firstborn?
Umntwana oqala.
Firstborn. You mean first child?
Hayi man.
No, what does firstborn? Firstborn.
Udependa ukuthi wacolonize yiphi country phela. But in British English it's the firstborn child.
What the first child? Ungathi firstborn.
No, it's the firstborn child.
Right, ukhulume in full. Ungathi firstborn. Kuyini firstborn?
Oh. Okay.
I'm just checking chaos episode.
Hey wena.
Dad, firstborn. Le firstborn yami.
I-firstborn bro.
I want you to say that to yourself at least 10 times and think about what it really means. Say this is my first child. Aso shortcut ngo17 yiko ngo last of last week. Kuyini last of last?
Mina kulento engayinanzelelayo ukuthi futhi ngiyethu sodwa. Yabo ukuthi nxa ngingazwanga something ngithi come again.
Uthi ngiyethu sodwa?
Ngithi sodwa bro.
Because the right word is pardon. Pardon?
Senga interact labantu abanengi bro. Senga interact labantu abanengi bro ngathi come again bangikhangela. Athi ngiyatitsho mleli what are you saying?
Lebala lelu ulokhu zeni irregardless. Aliko.
Regardless.
Yeah, it's regardless.
Akakho kodwa irregardless manje.
Akakho.
Unfortunately, some years back, they were trying to put the actual irregardless into the dictionary. The actual word irregardless into the dictionary.
But I feel like it's
double
the
negative.
same thing.
They didn't.
It's not there. They did irregardless. Now part of
Irregardless.
It means
irregardless.
can you
Now
check
part of
that,
the
bro?
English.
It means the same
It's a
as
double
regardless.
negative.
Can you check that? Irregardless.
They were not. Yes, they actually put it
But I think
into.
I ain't Google.
Is it last year or some years back? They actually put it into.
Mina ngikhala ngabo
the dictionary.
regardless. Mina
Which
ngikhala ngo
dictionary?
next of next week lo last of
English
last.
Last of last.
Kuyini next of next?
Last of last
Right
week.
after the
Next of next.
next of next week.
Kukhulume nje abantwana
Next of
abaphucukileyo.
next week.
Bathula bethi
And it's the week after this one.
Yeah.
oh like the week after next or the week before last.
Nah, week before last October. Last of last week. Last of
But
last
anyways, we
I was
don't.
waiting for you to say into
week.
October.
Last of
Do you
last
know?
week.
Do you know why umntana nami ngiqhaweli kayisibizo yakhe?
Ooh. In full.
Qhaweli kayise Dalitso Mhlanga. Dalitso, it was given by, the name was given by his grandmother on his mother's side.
Okay.
It's Malawian for Spusiso.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
I don't believe in foreign names. Why? Because you'll never go to USA and find them Tandas or Bheki Themba.
Colonialism
You understand? People are so obsessed with this. You need to get it right in Iskiwa. The goal is, if you are using another person's language, it's to cut the communication barrier and understand the next person. Kuphela.
Anzizokuthiwa lana ukunika abantwana amabizo abantu abadala. Ngibambu Patrick ole 2 months.
uGilbert lapha kazwakali.
Mina ngayizwa kuthiwa yazi ukunika abantwana ababiza abantu abadala omunye ubhizi khona apho uthumelele uRuben eCreche.
That's crazy.
But anyways,
Aslo ata lapha.
since vele sesikhulumile kuze nini? Sesikhulumile.
Slow ata lapha.
Sesikhulume ngento ze parenting lezi ukukhula nani. I believe sesikhula la kulezinto kade uzenza yabo. But uthethe isikhathi ukuthi unanzelele ukuthi hey but lokuyana kwakuludubo loka. Like maybe what you wenza like back then and you thought vele hangkhaya vele maybe sile mali vele yabona like shaya ipoloni.
No, not only that. Uthi kuthiwa vele yimpilo.
Yimpilo normal.
Until you get
usunanzelela sesikhulile ukuthi
This is udubo.
Dudubo lolo.
Little Dick, I said I grew up on nothing. You don't know the struggle. I grew up on nothing but bread and polony.
Poloni.
Mina I think
Lona stisile futhi wakukhuluma khona ku freestyle yakhe ni off the radar. It was bread and polony every day. I'm like what?
Didwakho.
Poloni.
The first time I would trace Poloni ngase ngu grade 5 ngidlalela first team baseball.
wasikhuluma istory sakho le.
Yasazi istory sami ukuthi days yadlala le day yakhona ngikwazi ukadlala njani because ngicabanga iPoloni isikhathi sonke. It took me to the first team baseball isikolo sami test iPoloni.
Uthi ngalumisa language ngathi hayi angiyizwa.
Kwabe bekune 4 slices lokhu iPoloni okuyislice okuyi1 into. Ukuthi kuya drown le phakathi kwe wheat.
I think the first time I tested polony it was when omamncane bami sebehlala eGoli. First grocery ababayithumeza kwabuya kulesiqingi sePoloni so ezasingaka so.
Last number.
So abantu bona babechayila ibreakfast and mina ngingekho. Mamfika kwathiwa asiki ipoloni lapha ngasiki islide ngesasingaka so.
Wathi khululeka
mzala.
Khululeka mzala.
But I will say also my gents okunye anyana ukuthi iPoloni okunye ku geographical because ezinye izinto eziludubo kwelinye ilizwe maybe kwezinye indawo so dubo. For example told tikithi la iPoloni is a luxury thing. Itemba into yestruck but nxa ngomnye umuntu ohlala at somewhere else itemba so ngaba yili luxury thing.
Actually when you go overseas and there's beef and then there's grass-fed beef.
Yes.
Grass-fed beef is the beef that we eat on a regular. Ngale iduri mhlolo.
I have an uncle of mine what he say states what when you restaurant wathenga hard mashona type beef kumbe ithu yayi 430 US million khona the hard mashona isitha oyayithola lapha ne budget butcher
imili yakhe yayicosta as much as ukuthenga inkomo la.
Yeah, and they've been taking they've been buying the semen hard mashona type and taking it to America.
They've been what?
Buying semen yakona to for artificial
It's been coming and going.
It's actually expensive. Wow.
Rafa said clean come and collect it.
So the Americans have been buying the semen hard mashona type cows.
So wenzani
Artificial insemination.
wenkisa inkomo.
Yeah, and then they do artificial insemination.
bawenkisi ndoda.
Bawenkisa.
Bawenkisa.
Baba.
What I thought was they put something in the female cow.
No,
Then mayiqedile then sebekhipha.
No.
Awuzakubona bewenkisa amabhiza wena. Buzani mina
They
endlimali.
should do it, bro.
Buzani sengawenkisani mina.
Into
Carrier day.
Buzani sengawenkisani mina mina.
Carrier day.
Iwotch.
Carrier day. What does your father do? He jerks off cows for a living.
Shayisa inkomo indlwabe.
But that's what most Brahman, most other people keep Brahmans, and especially because maybe you want your Nguni and your Botswana Brahman to mate instead of bring over the border, just buy the semen and do artificial insemination.
Ngingangeni ku-farming ngalibonani. Ku-farming you do some things that will that will corrode your soul. Mana ngutsheni. Mina kulomnye uchomo ngoba yakimi manje mina ngilama.
Jake, is it a must that we hear this?
Yes, it is.
Go ahead.
Because I feel like all of you lama ambitions ukuthi at some point izaba lama farm lana.
Yeah.
Mina ngilama stud, German Shepherd. I have purebred German Shepherds. So there's a guy who came ezocela German Shepherd yamuthi service yakhe. What a figure wehamba pick up uchomlwa. Nto le video ngilayo nto. What ebamba stud sami esifakile ukuze noveza nje yakhe ayiku hit sasilizanukana. Kwathi ungasoboneke ngambone neseqe sithi efaka ngathi Kathi ngakhipha icamera ngathi chongwa umuntu serious. Ngathi mina in all my breeding mina ngaze ngiphat. It's a common thing when you're breeding animals ukuthi at some point ungabona le ku hit. Uyayibamba labona ithi kaka uyithi pause.
Apparently
Some actually ingulube bazincedisa futhi ukuthi
Mara ngikubona
ingulube.
engibona ukuthi
Baba ingulube lapha farm. I've seen them. Baba ingulube farm laba. Lo abanye bebambelana bayithi.
I think ingulube iyaluma nje so.
Yeah, so babe incedisana, you can't do it alone.
Ingulube iluma udlula inja mfana.
Babe incedisana.
into enginanzelela ukuthi siyabaleka kakhulu embuzweni. Athi yebuze ngathi udubo izinto esizinanzelele sesikhulile.
Selikhuma uwenki ingulube.
Isijomlezi bro.
But sometimes it's okay to pivot.
Yeah,
Gives people time.
Laba zepivota kakhulu la.
I won't lie. I mean, I thought ukuthi tinned fish was like premium food, bro. I'm telling you.
That's actually bunker food.
Bro, for me it was tinned
now,
beef.
For war-torn countries.
So now, you want to eat tinned fish, tinned fish, eating beef. Those things look like luxury items for us. You can tell
I think we enjoyed them because they just tasted
differently.
So you come and taste it's a geographical thing. It's a geographical thing. For example, about 2-minute noodles, much.
But you know when you do olonye geographical.
Give us an example. Noodles, much.
Give us an example.
Understand.
Because according to
2008, it was a phase.
Noodle eating Asians, they say give instant noodles pasta letine sihamba seyithenga lapha. Because when they actually make them from flour, besikele behle beboy. Tina lokho sikudla I think is
instant noodles ludubo cheki.
Ludubo.
Instant. Paritina epoti okay mina sengikhuluma ngoba hamba epoti. Abantwana bela instant noodles babele. But obviously that was an issue of convenience.
Yo, more fight.
Oh mana ngithi na ongasoduba barona zilotha umangalisi like
more fight nganathi igazi lo muntu. Umuntu okholisa more fight. Hell no.
Omnye ngamuze sithi umuntu odla avocado ngayidli Nivea.
Umbuzo ukuthi wayeteste nini Nivea?
Yo,
wena nqazo uyiteste utshela ugezi. Ugezi.
Sorry please. Awuthethi ngenye ilanga. Bathi mana ngeke ngizwe.
Angcoba amawanki.
Uyiteste sibili.
Okunye futhi bafana bamlekela ugcobile lotion efacing. Into ethi hand and body lotion. Ngilani kwenzani?
Ungazibona ukwanisa ukubalance imovite sungaba le career as uDaga boy.
Sungaba le career is what?
uDaga boy.
Wesa iginye yisi small bro.
Ndoda usuyathe.
But indlela
kita magumba. Hell no.
Nabana ngotshela into enga experienceayo ngomntwana engangizitshela ukuthi hey standard living engathi ngikhulile ngaba shocked ukuthi now to be honest bro I genuinely didn't think anyone in their households could afford ukuba le tissue 24/7 like a toilet obviously asakhule toilet kule newspaper
sibala umgabe siqeda ubala umgabe simhambise futhi endleleni.
No, I'm not gonna lie bro, I really did not think ukuthi kulabantu ukuthi kuthiwa ngini lichechela nge tissue 24/7. It really seemed like such an expensive product
Bro.
I'm talking until
When
maybe-
you think about it, yabona kwezinye farm awuthola they to go to the extent ukuthi bayiqume kuhle so ithi sokule temporary sokule permanent wire
useziwaya so usuhlabisa so lonke leyakwazi ingazange ngumani la angumani ngiyawumani
Oh man, bro.
Lonke
I
leyakwazi
just didn't think about it. I'm thinking about it now.
So now you're seeing it.
Yeah, I'm seeing it. Wow.
Bro.
Yeah. Iningi lethu sakhula nge-newspaper machenze toilet.
No, mna.
The only reason what's serving the newspaper for not being used is social media. Because newspapers are not being printed as much.
No, mina ngakhula i-newspaper ngiyazi but ekhanda lami akuzange kwa-register ukuthi into le normal. Mina vele ngakubona kungekho normal. Because ngangikwazi ukuthi kule tissue.
It shouldn't be like this.
Mina, I guess I would say for me, it was umntwana obuya le mali obuya lo mphako le mali esikolo.
So it was like, oh, that was the thing for you.
So mali.
No, you don't understand. I'm saying, mina, I didn't think it was normal ukuthi umntwana ubuye le mali lo mphako esikolo.
Choose one.
Choose one. If none at all. You understand? During lunch lapana, maybe when you have 2 rand and you are taking frozen damaput. Very high standard in car. Maybe my road is as per 5 rand.
No, I will roll it.
And then you see a tuck shop kulomunye umntwana othenge maybe pizza pie or uthenge pie ngokwayo or uthenge like an actual meal elekela it. Uzbuza abantwana abavela ngapi. But only to realize later on ukuthi ma umntwana akho if you want your child to live a good life sibile sesikolo $1 a day yakwanisa ukuphila. I didn't think that was normal. Ukhipha umntwana okhipha imali yephepha esikhwameni.
Yeah.
Uma sesiye coach lapha sokusiyadliwa amasamusa bra. Thole ezinye zithenga nga 4 nga 55. Hayi, njani?
Ngibona ke emafoto.
I'm struggling to find something.
Salad.
No. That's good thing because I live there's a certain part of my life. I think 2 years of my life that was extremely bad. Like they were bad. And then things went back to normal. So at some point, no, because I'd lived both sides of it. Mina, I'm the guy who probably used to go to school. Ngile lunch box so ukuthi ngebreaking zakudla ama scones alokho lunch zakudla isinkwa sami silama tinned beef because tinned beef to us or mapoloni to us was something that just comes every week because my dad worked at CSE. So anything to do with meat and everything to us was like a normal thing. I even spent 5 years of my life not eating Russian sausage because I think it's cool.
Right?
So for some of there are things
anything to do with meat.
Yeah, for us go like
and ngapha indlela yenza ngayo isandla sakhe appetizer like he's beating his meat.
That's what I'm telling us. So, but so, and then there was a page where things were bad, and you get to see, oh, okay, on the other side.
Get your on your newspaper.
And newspapers, whether it's limited or not, newspapers there. Because I try to take every day. Why waste man on tissue and the newspaper is there?
Very effective to take tissue on the waste money.
But these teachers us to Bugarapa. We cannot agree with the newspaper.
But these days, yes, in this. So these teachers are safe in newspaper.
But it's teachers to get it rate. It was a guarantee. Every 5 meter radius.
And the other one then the newspaper.
I said these days is a true condom. Or a nappy.
Aye.
Yeah.
Avankume peso wakula. Sorry.
It was so bad ukuthi I remember umtaka mamncane wami like there's umamncane wami kwaba lo munye umntwana later on in life wayengakazi aye ekhaya yabo. So first time ehamba ekhaya wahamba esifuleni so esifuleni kabe kunjani uqala ube lama streams lana ngaphansi ube le stream esikhulu. Do you know what ebona ama streams wathi asimaswirije ekhaya.
Legend.
Apparently.
Mana. Wenzeni?
So, kulanda wawelayo kuswitch.
Kulo muntu
wawelayo. What is your risk? What he says, I'm not rescuing, trying to retrieve the body.
But two more
Two more bodies inside. And it was like muddy.
Abang ngelenye lengine aba kube le sweet jazz more. Wena uthi uzokhela lo Eric edichoko. La uyahleka. Is it what happened? Eric edichoko but was sweet.
Puzzled. I saw the aerial view of that place. I'm actually puzzled. There was a juror just next to the panel to eat to that thing. But it's not like there was a pathway for them to walk. Like it's.
I think amakaka awoma kwesinye isikhathi usubona nisokuwokeka. Ngoba utsho mna istory sakhe kuthiwa uthi uhamba nochoma ke bezokela. Wapho ngibona uchomo gachoko. Wadinga uchomo wabona uchomo wakuse. Wabiza zakhamuza uchomo wakuse uchomo sevide. Sebethola umuntu ozabuye ezo retrieve. Uchomo nane bese ngena lapha ethola isidumbe esiwa. I think ngithole 2 more. Ethole 2 more parts.
So vela abantu
iswitch block ivayisa amachiti.
Bebeginywe lokuzeni nini uTupac.
Quicksand yamakaka.
So now but someone brought up a different view of him doing that mission. In any developed country,
keyword developed.
In any developed country, he was not even allowed to undertake that mission. The mission would have been drain that place to retrieve the bodies. Because that was actually why Kuruma like this was actually a dangerous thing. Because I even went in the tank because it's backup for Umuya because this was bad. Like Kurumuti. It was that's why what you found the rope so they can pull him up, and they didn't even have a backup. Right? I told you this. There was no backup dive and stuff like that. So that mission on its own was bad.
I think.
Because the next day, you know what they did? But it was a good train the next day.
Which was supposed to?
We have done, yeah.
Yeah, but I don't want to catch us and I send this pivot into a topic about local government.
No, just
London.
But I'm not going to make a nyapora. Anyapora ikasi lonke bafana mama.
Nyapora snugere, akasi kuduka. What's good wala?
Wonke umuntu vele oyabevuka kusasa. Ngabe kulo 2 vele.
Kuma Tupaki. Ndizabanga ikasi lonke. Niya move out.
Ngakho Milo susuzile muke prisa sambe.
Excuse just in
but
case.
What scares me the most is what do you know what scares me? Is those are 2 people. Babe bonke ngoma 1 futhi.
Don't know 1. Hey, but lingu 2
And how long were they there for? It's scary, bro.
Baphuma benjani? Baphuma bengamabhones umlo.
Look asikuzwanga ukuthi bese be decay. Maybe they were being embalmed by the Tupacs of.
Because what they keep one. So what they keep what if you excuse me. If you running Ibonian, what you don't see one. What ndaona so you had to go back. They were actually surprised.
What you told the abortion?
Or maybe what a retriever or retrieve umuntu ongayisuye. Bakhona kumbuki try. Kulo munye la.
Milo. Uthe bakhulele tufini.
George babe sekake.
Literally.
Namhla sekakeni babies.
Crazy. But anyways, the game lapha machens last like game lapha
I hate games.
Singahambi lelula.
Ora skumambi right.
I hate games.
Simxotsha.
Wesikapula.
Twa. Cheating or not cheating. So nzalinika ama scenarios la lina dizaketch. Kulabo sisi la. Una ngosisi lapha. La siyifuna input yakho la. Ngoba thina sesingavumelana into
engasiso sebhekdinde ngala engasondele eduze sibele balance.
Oh sis my sister.
Yeah, sibele balance.
My sister.
Akasisefonini.
Mike ayihlali ready tuzani kwabo la.
My sister, yeah, just sit somewhere.
We just need one girl for input.
Sakunika mic.
Nothing hectic.
Sakunika mic la. We need your voice here.
Laba things udonsa le mdala. Sukuma lapho round this. Oh no.
How are you Ganti? No, much.
Your pull-out game is weak.
My first nguelo.
That's the reason I don't have a kid. My pull-out game, bro, is.
Mafoti ungasishayineli ngama-spam zakho la.
Alabantwana bro.
Yabe busy shayina ngento ezikhudumala.
Hayi lokho ndoda akulande pull-out game yabo inyumba nje uzirelax.
Yeah, business noma ngento ezikhudumalayo.
I'm sorry.
What I see.
I haven't heard that word. I haven't heard that word in a very long time.
Alright, Shao.
Ukukhuluma esindebeleni ku-tricky.
So,
Unyumba.
Unyumba.
Anybody really fucked up with it, dude.
Let's go.
So just study game la. Game le cheating or not cheating. Zalinika ama scenarios lapha. Then bese sijudge ukuthi ukucheata yini kumba siko kucheata lokho. Asungachazise nxa ufuna.
Uzabona yes no.
Haya. Akusochaze phela ama singathi.
So laba sizathatha ama opinions. Sizathatha lama opinions abo mama because sifuna laba opinions abo baby girl laba.
It's cheating.
Yeah. Your partner deletes man affair. Man. Your partner deletes messages from
I'm coaching. Kuchuma kya.
Your partner deletes messages from a specific person before you see them.
You see that? Watch play.
Cheating le.
All right, cheating. Mike.
No, not necessarily. You know, sometimes you understand the person that you're dealing with, that they may blow things out of proportion. So sometimes you're avoiding a conflict, not because there's anything, but you realize that these things can be taken out of context. And not that because there's anything, but you're from my perspective. So sometimes it's like, okay.
Yeah.
No,
but
that's not.
Let's say when ngusushelwa and wena umuntu wakho into zokuthi wena uyashelwa kazi but wena awenzanga lutho.
Umfazi ushelwa njani eko relationship? You put yourself in that position.
All right.
Okay, you know what? You have friends that are crazy. My 40 for one is like a crazy friend of mine who share the most random things. Or someone who's reading through the thread would be like, and yet
yeah, that's imagine. I send that book. Too many messages. It's also two. It's done. That's my. I can send the message. She knows what I mean. But whoever's gonna read is like kabangan. Yes. I remember.
Yeah, but you know, I'm coming before for context. I won't die.
What in the monkey?
What cheater obvious.
Thank you.
If I tell them they'll get you,
when I'm about
cheating.
Okay.
Context.
All right.
Remember me.
Maybe could make prematurely.
Like I end up having a daughter. Continue.
Yeah, it is what happens. Cures no premature. Manyal. Utilitan. Utilitan.
Money.
Yes.
But also, why is the person going through my phone?
All right, that's
next question.
Can I say but no
comment section.
Answer go cheating. This is the point.
See comment section there.
All right. Liking every selfie that an ex posts on Instagram or just picture.
Cheat.
Or liking every picture.
Like when you're liking picture or your partner. You or your partner.
Suthandana le cherry. But the cherry yakho like kama picture exact.
Wena lawa futhi uya
like kama picture exact. Oh, cherry yakho like
applies both ways the stick.
Lapho kulesukule nyana lapho. No, because fine, cool.
Come fast.
Because me, I'm good with my exes, but it's never me liking that. I never like their stuff.
One-sided.
No, I'm saying,
never like
I might talk to them, but I'll never actually like a picture, whatever. You cannot know. If you're dating someone, you're definitely cheating. We are thinking thinking of that person is cheating. Continue.
I don't think you're cheating. I just think maybe you're stuck up on that person.
Just the picture.
Yeah, maybe just work with that. But every picture.
Just a picture, bro.
Yabe poste mimosa. Kumbe poste face. You know what I'm saying?
Go on, every picture.
If that man's ding dong is in the picture, I don't know what you're liking there, ma'am. But yeah, I mean, I'll say, nah, you have issues to work with. It's not cheating. I'll give up.
Before you guys explode, let me finish. I think it's different for guys and girls.
Yes.
For guys, it's not cheating. For girls, it's cheating. That's why I said don't explode. Angaqed. Uthi are in. The reason why I'm saying for guys it's not cheating is because guys don't take social media as seriously as ladies do. Me personally, I'm TikTok, Instagram, or whatsoever. Sometimes I don't even notice what I liked until omunye umuntu has raised it. Ukuthi Milo will like it because I'm a cheater. It's like udlula.
So you cheated naturally.
Not cheater naturally. I'm speaking on behalf of me. Ocheri, they even go as far as noticing what you follow one or whatsoever. I doubt there's a straight man that pays attention to those details.
Lokuqinisile ngoba izolo khona tentshela ukuthi abanye abasafollow one.
That's one look mfuna uyalike ama WhatsApp status ami. Bitch, I've got Starlink at home. I'm seeing every status. I'm gonna like everything that I'm seeing. Got nothing to do with you.
And like
you understand? But Ocheri, I think they take it very seriously.
They invest in it.
They are very invested in what I think usemfuna futhi khela khaya ulike lapho. That's why when you want to grab a girl's attention go Instagram uyakwanisa ukuthi uhambe like ama picture ke landelana so that they won't ukuthi wa like it. Whereas awakho wena ngalayikwa even elandelana it's like someone else just liked my photos. That's what I think.
My brother.
Next.
That's what I think.
I'm coming there by the DMs.
And I'm bringing them data.
Literally.
Litini, what's this?
Okay, I agree with you, K Breezy, that it's not necessarily cheating, but there are unresolved issues that someone needs to deal with. And then Milo, females also handle social media the same way you said with guys. Sometimes it's literally just scrolling and just double
I just
tapping.
thought it's a guy thing. But
if you're a nigga and you see 10 of your photos liked simultaneously, are you not gonna see something?
I am ukuthi kuyanihlolela lokho.
Okay, let me slide into the DMs.
Mina nganyingakwazi to be honest. Mina nganzithi ngathi ngamanyala lawo. 10 likes. Then bazi banihlalisa phansi but no.
It's non-verbal communication.
Let me teach you bowl.
Somebody teach this nigga bowl.
Somebody teach this nigga bowl.
When usule penga la erga lo ipenga ukuthi izimbopho inzima ngini. When somebody teach this nigga bowl.
Yeah, so
Next.
Ukulike ama picture ex mama ukucheat.
Angizayo ngikwenze but into nje yabo.
Oh, she was defender. Ikobona khona umuntu.
Defense mode.
What ikobona khona isigebenga.
Makuthene thing. Mina umongi ngamdiscover a while later. I'm thinking umongi fucked up. Umongi ulama take a fucked up. Ngathi ngitshela ngomuteri. What? Umongi. Ulama take a fucked up but urepresent abantu abaningi. Ulama take a fucked up.
I'm nangwazi akulike nje i-social media seyithatha okufana nayo. Umilo ngisenza ngathi amankazana athi social media seyiqhakathekisana but ayisikho kwabanye amankazana. So
it's the same for ukuthi even namajita la.
Yes, ukhona amase ngawulikela ukuthi njani. Ngifuna sikhulume. Hayi vele ukustokhana ku social media nayo kuyenza vele. Izolo bengiyeya nje.
Nxa kuyikuthi abantu abahamba be like stuff sami esiningi bazama ungitshela ukuthi kwalanto bayifunayo.
Umhlelo zama ucommunicate la ngenye.
I'm wasting your time.
I don't give a shit. Continue liking.
Nami baba like
continue liking.
Ngaqala ukulike uzabona.
Dude, deactivated.
Benjani?
Deactivated I can't open
it. Dusseldorf, Germany. Ubone leskinny senzani? What the fuck?
Kana shungu. Kana shungu.
Tuthi wena ezemazweni ngezakha.
Hayi. Laba ngikhuluma into ukuthi konke isikhathi uyabuzela ama likes abalanda bala athi uthole ngu17 evela komnye umuntu othi
Okay.
Yomngani kaMongi lwana omunye lwa.
Hey, babo.
I'm namvumelana noMilo.
Okay.
Thank you.
Mvumelana noMilo very very strongly.
Adilama insecurity.
I think social media is all about interaction, isn't it? Whether kule past, whether kulani, but nxa followana, if you post something I would like, I don't think that's cheating.
Don't listen to this guy.
That's a very safe answer.
Now.
It's true, huh?
And,
Play the diplomatic.
I don't think it's cheating, but khona into ekhona. Khona. Ngoba niyenzani?
But it's enough where they smoke there's fire.
Obviously, bro, because look, if you have no interest in this person, ufunani lapho?
Ayipikitsha ndodafana
baba, wonke.
picture yenejiyo.
Wonke.
Mbona indwangu ngala
Ngithe mina.
Nejiyo
Ule fetish endwangu. Ule fetish.
Yawe dunusile wena usubona indwangu.
Hayi but lawe kodwa lawe.
Ikompe engikutshoyo ukuthi ufunani lapho?
Next
one.
La kome buke nature ye photo. Phela kule photo engani umuntu uphume echurch. So ne beach day. Especially ngani le ndunu phakathi.
Hayi alanayenzi la. Having a dating app installed just for fun.
Skip it.
Let's yavumelana sonke. Ale ngathi yavumelana
sonke.
They skip it.
Okay. Prostitution.
But asingeke sithi Instagram dating app.
Aye, it's not.
City Tinder la, city Grinder. Finder. Rewinder.
Reminder.
Ngale OnlyFans ke.
Kanti nakafana ukuthi wena uthi ngathi OnlyFans aso social media platform.
No haya.
Akhona amajita active OnlyFans la. Like I think OnlyFans awungeni is only a content creator. Uyakwanisa le account nje umuntu ozobona stuff. Angithi?
Abala account as abantu abazobona stuff.
Yes.
Ngama subscribers.
So akhona webo.
Yeah.
So okay.
Because
so
yakuvelelana.
Angikwazi ukuthi isebenza. Kanti OnlyFans ayifana ukuthi wonke umuntu ku Instagram ule account but amanye babukela abanye kudlula abanye.
It's like people that have YouTube channels and people that are YouTube subscribers.
Oh. So akhona abantu abasubscriber lapha ku OnlyFans la.
Hayi amna.
I've never created an account.
Asancedeki dog.
It's too much work. Just wait for that shit to leak upon
Please teach niggas Paul. Teach niggas Paul, my bro.
Nah, sending a good morning and a good night text to someone other than your partner. Going
both.
I guess depending on your context.
Guys, that's not cheating. Come on, life goes on. Huh? Now you're reading too much into a lot of things.
Kuya ngomuntu ungani wami sengathi good morning good. But umuntu angithandana laye, I don't think I should. Or
it's a start of a conversation.
Thula, usuthola ichance yakho. Lalela. Mina mfila ngani nxa kuyi ubu recent ex, 2 recent exes I shouldn't be doing that. But 4 5 ngale labana ngasela ndaba labo labana sebele 2 abantwana laba abana sengathi
what if ngumuntu okufunayo?
Yeah, but mina ngasakufuni ipoza lami. So ngamfuna ukufunayo but it is what it is. I'm a recent ex. Maybe not, but lana kudala yeah.
But I just think you shouldn't date a charity person.
Oh.
Trigger fingers. I don't. Trust me, they can confirm there's girls that chat to a lot of niggas without malice because they are just people that enjoy being on their phone.
Get a little attention.
Your phone should be talking to me, telling me how my son is doing, and communicating with your parents, telling them what I see right.
If you have a personally fasting,
if you have a shop cave,
you're a charity person, and now I'm seeing Umondli sending you reels, flipping 9. Baby, what the fuck?
When I did work on James Zako,
it's okay.
But could we put an abusiveness in what you're saying, bro?
No, it's not abuse.
Abusiveness,
it's not abuse.
Serious.
Zwana, check.
Eh.
When Zwana, when you draw boundaries, a man, women will call you abusive. The one that
Okay.
wants you will stick with you. Mine is okay with that.
Okay.
Damn.
You understand? I don't want me after 8. I'm a phone because ring. Because who the fuck is calling after 8? It better be your mom telling you she's dying.
Wow.
That's my take.
Yeah, ne?
Okay, that's hectic. I agree with you, Dumi. I think it's borderline abusive. You shouldn't take away things that make your partner them. Because I feel a lot of times men get so controlling to a point where they expect women to submit wholly to their will that you end up losing yourself as a person, as a woman. And you forget that when you met that person, there were things that person was doing. Don't take away...
Like fucking their ex.
If it's an ex, they're no longer in the picture. We're hoping. If this is a decent human being, the ex isn't in the picture anymore. But I'm saying that there are things that make that person outside of the relationship. And a lot of times women run the risk of losing themselves when they get into relationships because, the man says he has boundaries and A, B, C, D. And then this is why women years down the line become lonely, they become this, because they've lost themselves. Ngiyakuzwa, Milo, what you're saying, but
no,
the way you said it, for me, it sounded a bit like,
can
this is controlling.
All right, let me make you understand something, Aunt. Women have got terms for a lot of things that they are not comfortable with. But it's what's supposed to be. Do you understand? If I'm going to be your man, your provider, and your protector, I can't protect something that I don't have authority over. If I'm telling you, if you got hit by a car, use cotton, 12, die. Why? Because because I am protecting us from those type of things, from those type of scenarios. Do you understand? So I need to have authority over that to protect you. There's certain things in the house that you have authority over, but you're not comfortable with that because you want the power that the man has. You've got authority over what type of curtains we're going to be putting, what we're eating tonight. You have authority over that. You have authority over is our child warm, that's authority, it's okay. Be okay with that. Run that and I'll run what I'm running. To my point, I don't want umuntu mina ozabe fonela lo mfazi wami after 8. Abangani madoda akukhulumeki la bemini. Make me understand. People have friends, social gatherings, whatsoever. If you're in a marriage, do that. You understand? If you want to have friends, it's fine. Be a cotton buddy for the rest of your life. There's plenty of friends.
If your person agrees with that willingly, and it's something she agrees to willingly, it's fine. Not that, so and you're forcing her to adhere to that. If it's something that she agrees to, because the thing is, I think the problem with men is you will go and look for a baddie.
Yeah.
You find her in the club, and then you want to turn a baddie into a housewife. If you want a housewife, go for the church girls that are not going to be baddies.
Right.
Don't go for a baddie and then want to turn a baddie around.
Let me show you something.
So go for people that are already aligned with what you're thinking.
All right, chap. Right. So I'm not sure if you guys have watched this. So there was an episode, Cindy Makatini or El Tito. So Cindy Makatini is a baddie. She's not the type of girl that you think she'd struggle with love. Do you understand? Then she told El Tito, I struggle with love. Because unfortunately, I'm a hostess. Not saying anything bad about I'm a hostess. People can do whatever they want to get their bag. It's fine. But it comes with repercussions. Because now, at the end of the day, naturally, love is something that you long for. Unfortunately, in order for you to have a whole relationship, there's some uncomfortable truths that you have to settle with. Do you understand? For starters, if I'm going to be paying lobola, my money, hard-earned money, hard-earned. Hey, you understand? It's a show of dedication. Hey, I want to do this. Do you understand? When the half that you should be coming in with is to say, let me adhere to what goes down in this household. Trust something as simple as my daughter. I'm a phone.
But that's not a ticket for you to be controlling.
I'm not being controlling.
That's why we're driving it.
That's
why we're driving it. If she's willingly adhering to what you want, cool. But if she's is being coerced and forced, then we have a problem.
Thing is,
That's what
Milo,
I'm saying.
I literally last night I watched that episode. I literally watched that episode last night. And what Cindy said. And what Cindy said. Something that you didn't mention. Something that you didn't mention is Cindy actually said what I was saying earlier. Uguti umuntu yakulanda ebona ukuthi ungu-hostess. You already know what the life that she's living. She's a hostess. She's in the club. That's her job. She's literally being paid to look pretty and attract men into a club. And then you want to change her from that.
And turn into something else.
That's the issue. Like, ulanda umuntu ubonile ukuthi okay umuntu ungu-hostess, but usufuna ukumchintsha. Why? Why? If you know that you have a problem with hostesses, you have no business going for hostesses. Go for the people that you know will align with what you're doing.
Wena kanisa ulochero thandana la yanti.
Yeah.
Lisa ku relationship.
Abanye sebe shocked because this is news
and then
to them.
When Zwana Ben, and then when you get married, Masere saying you tell her, baby, don't wear this. They wouldn't appreciate that. Is that being controlling? Is that being controlling? Yes or no?
It's a yes or no question.
No, it's not simple. It's not that simple. It's not that simple. With the way you put it, it's not that simple.
Mina vele umuntu engilaye uyakwazi vele konke khonoko like ngumuntu onjalo vele ngingamtshelanga mina.
Do you understand? Usindi Makhathini, even a hostess, auntie. If you are going to shift from hostess to wife, your duty is now at home, not at your job whatsoever. Because I doubt that she was married to someone that wasn't willing to provide for her for the rest of her life. Your duty is now at home.
Oh, Milo is speaking facts, but those people just don't like how he's saying the facts.
That's what
not really.
Let me make an example. Let me support you, Milo. Right. In Econ, when you're at a job, and uboss uzakutshela ukuthi ungena sikhathi bani, lapha sigqoka njani, and siphuma sikhathi bani. You follow those things. And the same person who provide the life and I would tell her the same exact things as kunyong boss wako. Now that's controlling. Ngale lokuzin. But ngale you're getting everything, all the treatment, even emotionally. Ngale abala even they don't even care about your emotions, but you follow isn't as injal. Yabo. And the other thing when it comes to marriage is all about sacrifice. But
ungabona so sacrifice too much. Leave that thing alone.
Yeah, you can't
why
lose yourself.
Why are you saying now it's
no,
too
you can't lose yourself in that. In that process. You can't lose yourself in that process. Yeah. You can't lose yourself in that process. You can't.
Okay,
that's
firstly,
bullshit.
Bryce, employment it's a contractual agreement. Agula love pagat. It's literally I'm coming for 8 hours a day for 5 days a week, and you're paying me for the hours that I'm putting in. And part of my contract says I'll adhere to a certain code of conduct within the hours that I'm paid to perform the duties that I'm paid. That is a contractual agreement of employment. Right? You can't make employment the same. You can't put it in the same category as marriage. Those are two different things. I'm being paid for what I'm doing. Exactly. I'm literally saying, okay, for the 8 hours a day, I'm going to subject myself to ABCD conditions so that at the end of the month I get certain X amount of peanuts. But with marriage, right? But with marriage, okay, the thing is, this is the thing. I feel like a lot of times we end up in relationships where we could have avoided all of these issues if you just had honest conversations and you checked, do we align? Like Umgcini said, umuntu wakhe very aligns with you. Why are you going for someone that doesn't align with what you want? Why are you going for someone that doesn't align with what you want? Because I feel like that's where the problem is. If you know ukuthi mina ngifuna umuntu ozaba submissive housewife oza ukuthi lapha ukhalisa isicathulo dinga umuntu onjalo. Don't go for someone who's in the streets who wants to be a baddie, because you will have problems. You will have problems because that person isn't aligning with where you want to be in your life. Why are you going? Why are you doing umntwana? Why umthatha ufuna ukumstress umuntu wabantu and ufuna ukuba semgwaqweni? She wants to be in the streets. Let her be in the streets. If you don't want a baddie, don't go for a baddie. Gold diggers. To some extent, I don't think there's something called the gold digger. There's a market. Okay, there are people that are okay with those people. No, what I'm saying is, there are people willing to date those people and people's lifestyles, and they're okay benjalo. Ecosystem yabo. If when you don't fit in that ecosystem, ungasifaki where you don't fit in.
Yeah. Now
I half agree with what she's saying and I half agree with what he's saying, because with what she's saying, you're right, Uguti, ezindoda dinga umuntu who already aligns with what you are looking for in what Umgcini says. But taking that approach wholly disregards Uguti, there are actually women who want to eat their cake and have it too. For example, uCindy Kudale Dayisa. She's the last person to come on stage and talk about she's struggling to find love, because she knows in situations of where people settle down, the qualities that men look for are qualities that she doesn't have. And it's not impilo aipila. So now we do have a situation of women who feel like they can be hoes
and wives
and still be wives. And then the men who want the wives
and want the
who
hoe.
can't be hoes. So now you end up having that clash. You can see it's a 50-50 thing. First of all, we have men who are looking for wives in hoes, and hoes who think they can later get away with being wives. So those two parts.
I want the body of a stripper and the mind of Jesus.
Yeah, well, so that's where most of that clash happens. There are women who are willing to submit to things that Umailo is saying here. But sadly,
And
those women don't look like sin.
And do you know what
So when
Sorry, can I?
when okufunayo la sokumele ukuthole la not la.
Milo, before you. Well, you might call me a simp or whatever, but Chalala.
Over.
I know the video is playing. So, I don't know, so injection. So here's the thing. A guy is dating a doctor. That you're dating a doctor, right? Now, some children I'm and yet doctors go. But many on call. They have night duties at Impilo. And yet I'm Nigga, this is where you're going.
No.
This is exactly because you tell me to condition. You tell me to condition on iPhone.
No.
You tell me to condition on iPhone. No. You said there are sacrifices. You said there are sacrifices. No, but he said there are sacrifices. You want to change someone to what you want, and you want to change. That's exactly what you're saying. Because you want to condition someone to exactly what you want. You are simply telling him to say in that shift. Because this is a true story. Someone actually did this to a doctor. Someone actually did this to a doctor. No, it's the same concept. When you're trying to change someone or convince them to live, it's the sake.
Point yako is one. But I think the example is different.
Doctor and
stripper tangents, bro.
No, you're trying to change someone.
Doctor and stripper are South Pole.
It actually happened.
Being a stripper is
more
of a choice.
No. If someone is a stripper, we drop
What are you doing as a
people got triggered. Everyone took what I said.
No, triggered. It's a conversation. It's a conversation. It's a conversation.
All right, sweet.
Let's go. It's a conversation.
Right, all I'm saying, guys, and first of all, when did I talk about changing someone? Footage is there.
No.
If you are going to talk about me saying I want to change someone from this to that, then you can say something. Talk about me.
Do you know what you said? Do you know your statement? Do you know what your statement said? He said, "Mina." Endlini yami. Exactly. Right? It's the same person. No muntu othi mina endlini yami amfuna usebenza usuku odutshela umuntu ongudoctor. It's the same thing. Endlini yakho awufuni. Endlini yakho awufuni.
Not tell him don't.
No, endlini yakho awufuni.
This is exactly how a feminist functions.
No.
They're gonna take. Zwana, it's rage 80%. Listen 10%. Shout 10%.
No.
Do you understand?
If
you're listening.
Guys, if I'm a terms now, people agree to them before me. This is the type of person that I want.
That's what Milo said.
Yabo. Yikho phela kule ntelo kuzeni i-dating phase, i-courting phase yena leyani ukuthi hayi okay.
Guys,
Hayi zona into ekhona nje kan izinto lezo uyabukwazi ukuthi umuntu wakho unjani. Of course there are special cases ukuthi umuntu yakutshintshela phakathi.
Asesivala.
But in most cases abanye abantu bajale especially the other 10 bajale ukuvuma because some of them are scared of being alone. And men are scared of ending up with the wrong person.
Right.
Because guys put rules. Abanye they die in those rules. Even
right. Price on that, and this is. I want you guys to realize something. And Mina, I said, Mina, I can get him a phone call, I message after 8.
Yeah.
And for my house. And then I said, Mina, what are you doing outside the house on 9? And then mina endlini yami mfuna ukudla ukuchisa. Right. These 3 things are not going to bother a grounded woman. A grounded umuntu obhowa ukuthi phone ayisabanje after 8. It's a bitch that's talking to a lot of niggas. Utheri obhowa ukuthi endlini akuphunywa after 9. That's a bitch that wants to go dance ko some real.
TikTok
utheri ongafuniyo ukubheka endlini. It's just a chick that wants to do whatever.
TikTok.
This is you understand what it is? This is not a message that is directed to someone that intends to be your wife.
TikTok, Milo. Scroll kuphela. Nothing. Phone pants.
Umilo to scroll at me.
I will understand what it is.
Scroll at me.
All right, let me simply put it like this. And can I not have someone blowing up your phone after 8? TikTok, Instagram, whatsoever, you're doing whatever it is. But
But I'm
That's cool. You understand? But these 3 things that I listed, this is the bare minimum in a marriage.
No, I think it's more win. You could come and this card is ground umuntu.
No, it's not even about this card, it's about the order. All right, see.
In Dumbai, open 11.
Each household has got its own rules.
It's okay. Magu you to Zafira, but I don't want my child to one mama, answer phone about 9, 10 every day and think that's normal.
All right,
that's why we say it for the household.
All right, go for 2 seconds.
All right, ngifungubale yokugcina.
Ngizakhuluma 10 seconds bese sidlula. UMilo as much as ingavumelani into azichoyo, but he did say ukuthi this is what he wants and he prefers that from that person. Loloku zenini usisi lapana wathi then get that from someone who wants that. Yiko mina ngithe ngikhuluma ngathi I agree with them 50%. He says what he wants and she says yeah, then go get it from the person who would want that. Don't try to turn someone into something they are not. Say fala khona.
Last one or last 2. Watching porn in a committed relationship. Is that cheating?
That's interesting.
It is because
that's interesting.
We jumpstart.
Actually, that's not cheating. That's something worse.
ED.
I think it's a problem.
For me, it's neither.
I think it's a problem.
I put no vela yenza ama ayeqinisa aqine kubhowa.
Amani?
Ama ayeqinisa bese kubhowa. Dana ayenza but I don't understand now ndabana they are acting bro.
Basemsebenzini.
Into zabe eziningi basemsebenzini. She actually has to scream even if the dick is small.
Not even small, nigga, just not
even kungafiki vele endaweni eziyizwa vele nje. Mina remember now oh
my god.
I vele.
God.
You cheat.
Bryce said it's actually something worse. It's a problem.
Nkinga.
Wait, porn ngamuntu say oh my god, it's bad kodwa bekuyo uNkulunkulu.
Utheni?
Ngaso oh god, kuyo
uNkulunkulu. Oh my god, uphokuze. Cha uze sithi oh my god, uthi ngo ngokuli Kristu kuhoni kuphela.
Alright, let's say idlula ipono ngamanyala. Having an emotional connection with someone that you hide from your partner.
That's cheating. That's the definition. That's the definition of cheating.
Okay, next one. Okay, next one.
That's the definition of cheating.
My love, we fucked up. We told him to kuka matolo. Ngitshela. Arabe kokhala khona. Ngoba songaba lokunye but emotional connection. Check emotional connection, you cannot outdo it. You cannot talk ukuthengeleni. You cannot uthwala how many rounds. Emotional connection is just not you, dog.
This is why men when women have cheat and sex is involved, men go crazy. Because men can go and fuck someone, no emotions connected. But when women do it, there's emotion. So it's the emotional connection, bruh. That's what's so fucked up.
I came across
What's so fucked up?
a woman was saying something very unorthodox. Wathi mina I would prefer ukuthi indoda yami yekhecha kulokuthi ibe le girlfriend is two.
Na bengicela ukubuza osisi la.
That was unorthodox.
Bosisi bengizobuza. Yikho into abakhuluma ukuthi bathi ucansile njenge Instagram ukuthi amajita thina silandaba vele siya scrolla lina mali senzela be invested. Like lina likwenzeli for vibes.
Mcansi. Ama vibes.
Uyabu
Umangi ni fighter rani.
Umangi khona asungakenza nje ukuziduduza. Emotion abingekho abusenza nje.
Odila ngaselitshonile.
Yeah.
All right.
Yatholakala nje. I am not saying ayengenze but
every time sibuza something. Uqala sidefend.
Azumangi.
Athi lokho mina ngizake
Yawazi, usephendulile ngoba.
Sephendulile.
Lawe.
That's what he's trying to.
Awula mic
Mekele usephendulile umoji.
Let's go right. Mama taxi sizakhuluma singaqeda.
I think most of the time with women, there's an emotional connection. That's where it's dangerous.
Okay, that's what I wanted to confirm. Then the last one.
Women, sorry?
Women, not amahule.
Calling.
Yeah, women, yeah.
Not amahule.
Calling another person baby or my love.
Nah, come on. Nah.
No party no zonetsana manje.
Baby or love.
I've a friend of mine. Okay. She's married to another friend of mine.
You have a friend for every scenario.
Yeah, she's married to my friend. Umbiza sweet. And the husband knows because she started calling me sweet to Gudara Sam African. Like it's been like that. Yeah, it's
I will explain to
you would cheat?
Especially Ochere, they like to use that term.
Those
I don't
names.
know about gents though. Me personally, I'm not comfortable with calling another person baby. See me doing that, then I also go to the problem.
Sweet.
Okay. I listen to Ochere music.
Yeah.
Sometimes you laugh, sometimes you cry. No, now.
It's not cheating.
I'm gonna say, need me, baby. Ashera, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Ukono funkuluma something singa ham. Ukono chiselwa. Monji.
See you next year.
I think it's not cheating, but ndopa tozo netsana ipapa.
Fuck those niggas.
Stupid mother. I say Chopin. Hold your girl's phone until they city my love. To a nigga you might not even know. You don't know this guy. These texts are saying my love, and she's saying no, it's just platonic.
Maybe it's platonic.
Platonic kama sim.
Zwana tu. Number 41.
Maybe it's platonic.
I'm a planka, I'm a platon.
But you know the other thing that's dangerous in a relationship? Jumping to conclusions without having the full story.
Full story.
Sometimes people jump to conclusions.
What's dangerous is jumping into bed.
I'm telling you data enough.
All right, shout.
I'm done.
Thank you very
much. Next time, I'll see you next year.
Shout out.
Yeah.
Shout out, my nigga 40.
Yeah.
Nothing beats subscribing to the BYO podcast. Survive depression. And your toxic co-worker.